Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Folks, behind me right here, I have your dream back patio set up, all right? All going on my man, Aaron. Now, Aaron's been hanging out with us all week, cooked food for the guys. We appreciate that, Aaron. Came out great. We've been spoiled this week, guys. That's all there is to it. But let's check out Aaron's setup here now. First off, he did get a badass pit y'all see in the background. Check out a separate video on that. But let's go over his back patio setup we got here. We'll start with our forge, guys. This is our newest wood fire grill we've come up with. We've got a fire brick basin in here, so holds heat really great. Not gonna burn out on you. You've got 1.25 inch thick fire brick all the way through. And then a lot of options and versatility with this unit. So first off, we have our skewer rail that's built into it, so you can line up your skewers going across it. And obviously here we've got a rotisserie in here. Now the rotisserie is an add-on, but we have the provisions built into it. So you can order your forge, add the rotisserie later on down the road if you'd like to. All that stuff's removable, comes off there, and you get 4 cooking grates. And as you can see, we do have quite a bit of adjustability for the height of those grates. There are holes cut out in the top here for S-hooks to hook into and hang off of. Air intakes here. Now you can get this, also we have an El Camal griddle top that will sit down here as well. So if you want to use it as a griddle, you can do that. Now we sell it with just the forge basin to go in like a built-in kitchen. We've got our caster cart here like Aaron got, or we can do it on our off-road package. So a lot of options there. He did add the TMG Pits charcoal chimney, the torch on this order as well. Lifetime warranty on this, guys. Get it on the website. $100, it's hard to beat that. Next up, we've got our Amigo. So this is our single burner setup we got here. You throw your propane tank on the bottom there, you got a little storage underneath there as well. 10-inch cast iron burner underneath here. It's gonna last you a lifetime. Single regulator, of course. We've got our biggest El Camal griddle top on top of it. You can set your pot or pan up here or get one of our griddles, throw up here. Not just that, we've got our burger press and our bacon press, and we've got our Sasquatch tortilla press. So this thing's pretty slick. It's got multiple levels, so you can lock it up here for burgers or steaks, thick burgers or steaks, or down here to tortilla, smash burger mode, stuff like that. So that's our Amigo single burner. Up next, we've got our dumpster direct heat cooker. This is our most popular direct heat cooker here. We do have a couple sizes larger than this, but this is great for the back patio. Open it up here. So we've got our top grate, which is removable. Just lifts up out of there. And Erin went to town on this thing. She is loaded out, so we'll open it up here. As you can see sticking out the side, we've got a rotisserie mount on there, so you can take your grates out and have a built-in rotisserie in this unit, or slide that rod out and just use it as normal. Now we've got our top grate here and our lower grate that slides out. This is an add-on. It's great. You can throw your charcoal on here and get your fire a little bit closer to your grates, or you can just straight cook on it. Also got our charcoal basket down here as well. So you can build your fire right on the bottom or throw it in that charcoal basket. The bottom is 1/4 inch plate, the rest of it's 3/16. It is insulated on the bottom as well. So holds heat great with that insulated bottom. Close that down. And to finish it all off, guys, he got the TMG Pits Orca cooler. So hey, guys, be like Aaron, buy everything. All right, so y'all know the deal. If you need a TMG pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.